Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, now we will discuss our novel, The Old Man and the Sea, written by Hemingway. Question number 1: How the old man was able to search and kill the fish. The old man searched for and tussled with the fish. Santiago was a fisherman by profession. Once he could not catch any fish for 84 days. The other fishermen began to call him unlucky. On the 85th day, he woke up early in the morning. He set his boat and began to row it. When the sun rose, he had gone far out in the sea. He threw 4 baits in the sea at different depths. One bait was 40 fathoms down, one was 75 fathoms down, and another was 125 fathoms deep in the sea. He was lost in the sweet memories of the past. Suddenly, he realized that one bait was being pulled softly. He knew that some fish was swallowing the bait. The next moment, it was hooked. It began to pull the boat into the deep sea. It took Santiago almost 3 days to kill the big fish. On the first day, the fish kept pulling the boat towards north. The old man kept planning to kill it. The fish needed more line, so he cut the lines of other baits and made a long reserve coil. The fish kept pulling the boat the whole night. Once it made a sudden jerk. Santiago fell in the boat and received a little cut under his left eye. He was unable to sleep the whole night. On the second day, Santiago hoped that the fish would turn to the east, but he was disappointed. Yet he made up his mind to kill it by the end of the day. He said to the fish, "But I will kill you before this day ends." Meanwhile, the fish pulled the cord and Santiago fell on the front part of the boat. Perhaps the fish was expressing pain. Santiago shifted the weight of the line to his left shoulder. Then the fish came up and he saw it for the first time. It was larger than his boat. Now the fish began to swim at a higher level. It was jumping again and again. He knew that its end was near. On the third day, the fish was circulating around and round in the sea. Santiago invested all his energy to pull it. When it came near the surface of the water, he harpooned its side with full force. The iron penetrated into its body and it began to bleed. He bent a little low and drove the harpoon more into the fish. As a result, it was killed. It was 2 feet larger than his boat. He tied it alongside his skiff and began to row it to the harbor. Thanks.